In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image into a Miro doc using Chrome. To get started, open your board or your Miro doc in the Chrome browser. Make sure you're in the right document before you begin, especially if you work across multiple boards or projects. Having the correct file open first helps you place your image exactly where you want it and avoids unnecessary moving or re-uploading later. Once your board or document is open, look for the toolbar and click the upload icon. This is the option that lets you bring files from outside Miro directly into your workspace. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the toolbar carefully, since toolbar layouts can sometimes look slightly different depending on your screen size or workspace setup. After clicking Upload, choose My Device. This tells Miro that you want to select a file stored locally on your computer. At this point, a file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the image you want to use. Select your image file from your device. If you're preparing content for a document flow, it's a good idea to choose a clear, high-quality image so it displays well once inserted. With your image selected, click Insert. This will embed the image directly inside your document flow rather than leaving it floating separately on the board. That's especially useful when you want your image to be part of a structured document, presentation, or written sequence inside Miro. It keeps your content organized and makes the document easier to read and share with others. After the image is inserted, you can review its placement to make sure it appears in the right section of your document. If needed, you can adjust its position within the flow so it matches the surrounding content more naturally. Taking a second to check formatting can make your final document look much cleaner and more professional. And that's it. Open your Miro board or doc in Chrome, click the upload icon, choose My Device, select your image file, and click Insert to place it into your document flow. It's a simple process, but it's a very useful one when you want to enrich your Miro docs with visual content in a clean and organized way.